When we say that Miller Zell understands retail and retail banking, it comes from more than 50 years of experience. The honest truth? For us, it's more than just designing a great branch experience, which we love to do. We know how to design a great experience for you. Let us explain. Say you have a new concept branch design. It's beautiful. It gets media attention. It may even win an award. But after the fanfare, is it replicable? Can it roll out? Miller Zell helps clients solve challenges like these and eliminate costly implementation headaches. Because we understand design is more than how it looks, it's how it works. With a range of disciplines and expertise under one roof, our team at Miller Zell knows how to design with an eye for scale. Let's go back to that dream branch. To make this rollout ready, we can extract a kit of parts to accommodate a range of branch footprints and investment levels.
Our value engineers focus on streamlining designs to strip out overproduction, reduce shipping overspend, and simplify installation.
Our design team creates environmental, graphic, and digital programs to ensure that branches look consistent and stay on brand.
Our installers are nationwide and ready to execute multiple sites and cities with attention to detail and efficiency.
Our program management serves as a single point of contact and accountability to ensure that schedules, standards, and solutions deliver peace of mind.
Plus, our proprietary online tools provide access to real-time project information and updates.
So that's what we do. This is who we are. Dedicated team members, creative problem solvers, strategic partners. If you have a project that is full of challenges and could use some fresh perspectives and new solutions, we would love to talk with you.